solving a large cube like a 3x3, once you've gotten through the reduction method to this stage where I had first done all the centers, and then I did all the edges, which consist of 4 pieces. Then I built my white cross. Of course, the next thing to do would be to put in the white corners if you were doing the beginner's method. If you're doing F2L, which in this case is not the first 2 layers, but the first 5 layers, what that simply means is treat all 4 of these as one edge piece, just like on a 3x3. So what I would do here, for example, to fill in this piece correctly here, here's the corner, red, blue, and white. Here's the edge, all 4 of these pieces. This color is different than these, so I can simply rotate this back, join them up, move this over, and bring this slice back down, and it's correctly inserted that edge. These are all together, but they're in the wrong place, so I could just bring them up, move them out of the way, find where they go, so they're orange and green. That was very inefficient turning. I could have turned the other way. Anyway, they go here. Again, just treat this all as one piece. Do your regular insert. And they're where they need to be. When you often have this case, it's just like on most of the larger cubes, and of course happens on a 3x3 sometimes too. This corner piece and its edge are right next to each other, but they need to be broken up to be aligned correctly. So the way I generally do it is I move this slice away because I know I can alter this piece and it doesn't affect anything. For example, since this corner is already solved, if I move this piece away this way to fix it, I'm going to be messing up that. So I move this away, move the slice around, reset this, and now I can get on with my normal routine. So here's the red and green corner, red is on top. Here's the red and green edge, red is on top. So what I do in this case is, the way the white's facing, I find it adjacent to an unsolved corner. That one's solved, so I need to move it over here. That's unsolved. So now what I can do is I can rotate it out of the way in the direction of the colors. So I wouldn't want to rotate it this way because that's rotating the white. I'm rotating in the direction of the colors, so green and red, so I'm rotating it out of the way, bringing hopefully one slice at a time, the edge over, bringing it back up, and notice how I've combined them all, and now I can just bring it over and insert it as per usual. And so that's done. In this case, I'm not sure how most people do it. The edge is already in the right place. The corner is not. I would probably bring the edge out and then match it up. And that's good here in this case because now we have the third case. This is where this is going to go here. But since the white's on top, the way I do it is I look at the edge, rotate it so that these colors match their side. So they're blue. So they're matching their side now. Whatever color this is, I rotate not to it. So I wouldn't rotate it to it. I rotate it to its opposite. And then I rotate the white piece around to match up with them. Slide it back up to the top and insert as per usual. And now we have the first 5 layers done on the 6 by 6.